Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is text gradient animation. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Create a division with class text with desired text. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. Let's start with body. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Add styling to class text. Now add background linear gradient at angle -45 degrees, pair of 3 shades. Set background size to 720 and font size of 210 pixels. Set letter spacing of -5 pixels and text transform to uppercase. Now add background clip, text. Add a WebKit background clip, text. Add a WebKit text fill color to transparent. Add animation of text, animation of 6 seconds with an ease. In-out transition with infinite. Add Moz, the animation of text, the animation of 6 seconds with an ease. In-out transition with infinite. Add a WebKit, add animation of text, the animation of 6 seconds with an ease. In-out transition with infinite. Now create animation with text, the animation of at 0%. Add background position 0 pixels and of 50%. At 50%. Add background position of 100% and of 50%. At 100%. Add background position 0 pixels and of 50%. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. Now you can see changes occurred because of styling. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.